Creating with clay is magical, but one doesn't really need to have creative hands to do pottery. GNTV visited a pottery class in Dubai to check out how artworks can be molded out of clay.
Pottery needs no background. It doesn't need to be creative. You don't need to be an artist. You just need to leave everything behind and just have fun. And you can remove your stress. It's a stress buster. It's therapeutic. You need no knowledge of clay, pottery, art, not so anything.
It's a very interesting balance between learning the techniques and using your creativity. Sometimes Mubaraka tells, when we first started, she'd say, close your eyes and pinch the bowl and create the bowl. So that was very interesting. But there are definitely certain techniques that you have to use and adhere to. So it's a balance.
I like it very much. Yes, it gives me a great, it makes me happy.
Students learn the basics of the profession, including making a pot on a potter's wheel. They are also taught hand-building techniques and different ways to improve their skills. New students start by learning how to prepare the clay and the various stages of pottery making.
It goes step by step. You start with very simple things, and then normally I really gonna start on the wheel, let's say in the next 2 lessons or so.
We start with hand-building techniques. So there are 3 hand-building techniques in pottery: slab, coil, and the pinch. And once I feel the student is aware of the techniques of hand, I take them on the wheel, because the wheel is a little more complex technique, because the wheel has a mind of its own. With hand, you take your hand and you're making things with your hand. So you're the master of your hand.
Well, I started thinking that pottery was mostly about the wheel and doing the pottery in the wheel. And through Mubaraka's lessons learned, there's different techniques. I got better results quicker with these methods than the traditional wheel pottery.
After they are introduced to various pottery methods and techniques, the students can work at their own pace and choose a technique they prefer. They're encouraged to finish, paint, and glaze their own pieces. If you're looking for a new activity to enhance your creativity, working with clay is a fun and easy way to get your creative juices flowing. Irish Eden Villeza for Gulf News.